Look into someone's eyes right now. What you're seeing isn't just beautiful. It's a window into hidden evolutionary advantages that have been protecting and enhancing human survival for thousands of years. Your eye color isn't random. It's a genetic superpower with specific benefits that most people never learn about. Let's unlock the secrets hiding in plain sight. Let's start with brown eyes, the most common eye color on Earth, found in roughly 79% of the global population. Brown eyes contain the highest concentration of melanin in the iris, and this isn't just for show. That melanin acts as a natural shield against ultraviolet radiation, providing superior protection against sun damage and reducing the risk of certain eye cancers. Studies show that people with brown eyes have lower rates of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. The melanin also offers better protection in high-glare environments, which is why brown eyes evolved predominantly in regions closer to the equator where sunlight is most intense. But here's something fascinating. Brown-eyed individuals tend to be perceived as more trustworthy and warm in psychological studies, potentially offering social advantages throughout human history. Now let's talk about black eyes, which are essentially dark brown eyes with such dense melanin that they appear nearly black. These eyes represent melanin concentration at its absolute peak, offering even greater UV protection than standard brown eyes. People with black eyes have the thickest layer of melanin in their iris stroma, providing maximum defense against cataracts and photokeratitis, essentially sunburn of the eye. In evolutionary terms, black eyes emerged in populations exposed to the most extreme sunlight conditions. There's also evidence that the increased melanin provides better contrast sensitivity in bright conditions, allowing for clearer vision when others might be squinting. Blue eyes tell a completely different evolutionary story. Around 6,000 to 10,000 years ago, a genetic mutation near the Black Sea region created the first blue-eyed human. Blue eyes contain minimal melanin in the front layer of the iris, but here's their hidden advantage. They perform better in low-light conditions. The reduced melanin allows more light to enter the eye, providing enhanced night vision and better visual acuity in dim environments. This would have been incredibly valuable in northern latitudes with long, dark winters. Blue-eyed individuals also show faster reaction times in certain visual tasks, according to recent studies. Additionally, the lack of melanin makes blue eyes more sensitive to detecting subtle changes in light, which could have provided survival advantages when hunting at dawn or dusk. Green eyes are the rarest of the common eye colors, appearing in only about 2% of the world's population. Green eyes result from a moderate amount of melanin combined with a specific scattering of light called Rayleigh scattering and the presence of a yellowish pigment called lipochrome. This unique combination creates a balanced advantage. Better UV protection than blue eyes, but enhanced low-light performance compared to brown eyes. Green-eyed individuals essentially get the best of both worlds. Research suggests green eyes may be associated with higher pain tolerance, though scientists are still exploring this connection. The genetic rarity also means green eyes carry diverse genetic markers that contribute to genetic diversity, which is crucial for species adaptation. Hazel eyes are the chameleons of the eye color world, appearing to shift between green, brown, and gold depending on lighting conditions. This happens because hazel eyes have a moderate, unevenly distributed amount of melanin that refracts light differently based on environmental conditions. This variability might have provided camouflage advantages in varied environments, making individuals less recognizable and potentially safer from threats. Hazel eyes combine protective melanin with light-scattering properties, offering adaptive advantages across different lighting conditions. People with hazel eyes essentially have eyes that optimize themselves for their current environment, a remarkable evolutionary adaptation. Gray eyes are incredibly rare and often confused with blue eyes, but they're distinctly different. Gray eyes have even less melanin and collagen in the iris than blue eyes, with a different structural composition that scatters light differently. The advantage here is exceptional light sensitivity and potentially superior vision in overcast or foggy conditions. Gray eyes evolved primarily in northern and eastern European populations, where cloudy weather dominates. The unique iris structure in gray eyes may also provide better depth perception in certain lighting conditions. Some research suggests gray-eyed individuals have faster adaptation times when moving between bright and dark environments. Amber eyes are a stunning golden or coppery color, distinct from hazel. They contain a strong yellowish, golden, or russet pigment called lipochrome, along with moderate melanin levels. Amber eyes are extremely rare, appearing in less than 5% of the population. The unique pigmentation may offer specific wavelength filtration, potentially reducing glare from certain light sources more effectively than other eye colors. The golden pigment in amber eyes also provides moderate UV protection while maintaining good low-light performance. Evolutionarily, amber eyes appear most frequently in populations from specific regions of Asia and South America, suggesting environmental adaptations we're still working to fully understand. Finally, heterochromia, the condition where someone has two different colored eyes or multiple colors in one eye, isn't just visually striking, it's genetically fascinating. Complete heterochromia, where each eye is a different color, or sectoral heterochromia, where part of one iris differs in color, results from variations in melanin distribution. While often benign, heterochromia can indicate genetic diversity and chimerism, where an individual carries two distinct sets of DNA. From a practical standpoint, individuals with heterochromia may experience the advantages of both eye colors simultaneously. One eye might excel in bright conditions while the other performs better in low light, providing a unique adaptive advantage. Throughout history, heterochromia has been viewed as mystical or special in various cultures, potentially offering social advantages. Here's something that applies to all eye colors. Your iris has a completely unique pattern, more distinctive than your fingerprints. The crypts, furrows, and patterns in your iris are so individual that iris scanning is now used for security identification. Regardless of color, every human iris is a one-of-a-kind biological signature. Your eye color is far more than cosmetic. It's a genetic adaptation carrying thousands of years of evolutionary refinement, optimized for the environments your ancestors survived in. Whether you have the UV-resistant fortress of brown eyes, the low-light excellence of blue eyes, the balanced versatility of green or hazel eyes, the rare adaptations of gray or amber eyes, or the genetic diversity of heterochromia, your eyes carry hidden advantages that have helped humanity thrive across every corner of our planet. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just seeing a color, you're seeing a survival strategy written in your DNA. What hidden advantages are your eyes giving you right now? Tell us your eye color in the comments and hit subscribe so you never miss the next discovery.